Hello! Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm still in Betong, Thailand in my sister's house and we'll be cooking in the outdoor in her garden. I am with Arif again. He will be helping me to cook for today. And the menu today will be Kampung steamed fish with nam prik num. The recipe is inherited from my mom. So we'll be using the tilapia fish. Okay, we have two fishes of tilapia fish and some 6 pieces of lemongrass that I have lightly smashed them, and about 3 tablespoons of sticky rice, some salt and a bit of water. We'll be using some fish sauce, and for the steamed fish we'll pair it with chili or the sambal, or in Thai we call nam prik num. I'm going to start off with marinating the fish. Now we're going to, wow, it's very nice breeze here and it's very cooling. First of all, I'm going to marinate the fish with salt. Right, going to put in the salt on the fish and also inside the stomach, and sprinkle the salt is according to individual's preference. So for me, since we're going to put in the fish sauce, I'm not putting too much salt on the fish. Just like that. เปิดน้ำขวดน้ำปลาให้น้าหน่อยลูก Thank you ครับเทเลยลูกเทเลยเทได้ไหมเทเข้าไปโอเคโอเคพอกันลูกอีกข้างเทเลยครับเทเลยโอเคเอาอีกตรงนี้โอเคหอมจังน้ำปลา Fish sauce it smells so good. โอเคเทได้ละ Alright, we already have put the fish sauce and the salt in the fish, and I'm going to put the sticky rice. Sticky rice is a bit sticky, so I'm using water just to wet it a bit. We're going to put the sticky rice on the fish. Okay, last but not least, we're going to put in the lemongrass in the fish stomach. A lot of lemongrass. This one just to make sure that it is not fishy smell. That's all, marinating the fish, and we're going to put it in the container and leave it in the refrigerator for about minimum 6 hours, and then we can take the fish out to steam it. เอาอันนี้พอแล้วกระมังไม่เอา Okay. We're going to put the fish in the container, and wow, my container is so small. Okay, done marinating the fish. I'm going to place this one in the refrigerator. So this is the fish that we have marinated for about 6 to 8 hours in the fridge. When the fish almost cooked, I'm going to put in some vegetable on top. Another 5 more minutes, it should be ready. เต็มเลย
เดี๋ยวมันก็ยุบเดี๋ยวมันยุบลงไปมันก็บ่เหลือแล้ว
This is how Kampung people eat a lot of vegetable ไอวิทย์กับสิว่ากินผักเบิกขึ้นสวนนี่อันยังใบหนึ่งรอดก็ได้ประมาณโอเค
เอาไว้แล้วเดี๋ยวไปมึงกินผักไปเด้อเดี๋ยวนี้เพราะรักสุขภาพ
Totally Kampung. Look at that. There's a chopping board on top of the pot. This is awesome. Vegetable have already gone down and cooked already, and I'm going to remove it from the pot, from the fire. So today menu is steamed fish, Kampung steamed fish, som tam, papaya salad, chili, น้ำพริกหนุ่ม with sticky rice.